Kubor ka BTC TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Hadian belami kejing persya ni district council halo kejing penmana jong sarkar pan PYNTREIKAM ya CrPC bat ke CPC sarkar kalau khat ya kren ya district council bat kala pandu da kejing tho anaki bat hadian beladab menyeslok ke sarkar kal penmana baknya chakmat pan PYNTREIKAM ya CrPC bat CPC Henry ke district council court bat kila ban beteng ya buat rekam jongki katkum ki kendoan bala penkop board da 6 schedule hakapara 4 bat para 5 ya kanila itu do menteri rangba kajala ukonrat ki sangma hakajing kran begilat pathai khubor.
The first was regarding the issuance of the CrPC and the CPC, and in that regards, after detailed consultation with all the district councils, as the district councils had raised some concerns, we had a meeting about a week back, and we had asked them for their written comments, and accordingly the Jenti Hills and the Khasi Hills had written back, and also we had got a verbal communication from Garo Hills, and after clarifying all the concerns that they had, we have gone ahead today to clear the notification, and the language reads as follows: in pursuance of full separation of judiciary from the executive and in exercise of the powers conferred in proviso to subsection 2 of section 1 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, Act 2 of 1974, the Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to apply the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 to the courts in the state of Meghalaya. Full stop. The district council courts shall continue to derive powers under para 4 and 5 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. The Governor of Meghalaya further directs that notwithstanding such application, all actions taken by the district courts throughout Meghalaya under the rules for the administration of justice and police in the Khasi Hills and Jenti Hills, 1937, and the rules of administration of justice and police in Garo Hills, 1937, shall deemed to have been taken under the relevant provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. And similarly, for the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, only that particular part has been changed. Otherwise, the rest of the notification, the body of the notification remains the same. The reason being because the interest or the concerns of the district councils was that their powers are being taken away. And we have clarified to them that there is no question of them taking away the powers, because under para 4 and 5, it's already of the 6th schedule, it has already been mentioned out there. So the powers that have been conferred by the parliament cannot be simply removed here at the cabinet level. So obviously there is no question of the district council's powers being diluted in any way. The question was always very simple, that we had the ADCs who were judiciary ADCs who used to exercise power and take up cases in the district level. And now that there are no longer ADC judiciary, because now they are judicial magistrates, the judicial magistrates could not draw their power from any particular law or any particular source. Or any particular rule was not there. So hence they had to draw their their power from some provisions, and they had to be given that power. So hence, what the ADCs judiciaries used to do before, the magistrates are going to continue doing that. That's all, the judicial magistrates. But as I said, as per law, they have to draw their power from somewhere, and this notification is only simply allowing them to draw that power. A power which was always exercised by the ADC judiciary in the past, when the division between or separation between the judiciary and executive was not there. But now the separation is there, so the judiciary, which is the judicial magistrates, will do the functioning of the ADC judiciary, but they will draw their power based on this notification.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.